So guys, I'm discussing about that. How you can creating for Google Map ads. So where you can place in for mobile application. How you can show in for earnings. Some people ask me one question. So I'm creating for Google Ad Map. Ads will be here. The code how to place in the particular apps application. In this purpose, first of all, open your particular code here. So what are the code you design here? Go for add unit. So everything will be here. First time design the application will be Andromo. Now click for edit here. In the edit, the option will be called monetization. In the monetization, they click for add mob application. In the add mob, they're showing for two things, banner, year. So this all will be compulsory important. Add unit in the particular app ID. So here, not. We go for this ad. We can go for two options. I'm adding this option will be here, the particular. So when open this, so we receive by mail also, just to open it, or else we can click for, in this all option will be here, instructions. This will be the two options are there. Here add unit and app ID. First you can copy this, app ID. Next will be here. How to know that? Add unit and app ID. App. Test device ID will be here. So comma separate of test device ID, read the article from here. So what the test ID we can add by the text ID option will be there. No ID will be here. You can use it for. Now click for save changes. So save changes will be done. So come finally ad was created here. So what are the ad will be required? Only adding for two things, add unit and app ID. So the two will be showing for in the particular application. This is be sending for email instruction also. So this is the way adding the your particular code on the web application for here. So this application will be designed by the Andromo. So here my application will be here. If you need one more ad will be there, you can add for this also will be given the particular application. Anything will be app ID is common, only will be changing for unit ID will be change. So just to change your unit ID, you can upload ad on the particular mobile application. So this is a way after upload will be there, we can finally build the code option will be here. So this will be download the application. So this is a way you can add the code on the mobile application. So use this code in the AdMob, or you can place the code will be the particular mobile application. Thank you. Thank you for watching. For any doubts will be required, please ask me in the my YouTube comment box. Please like, share, subscribe. This is Rakesh YouTube channel.